Oh, the bail opened.
The bail open.
The bail opened.
You still have it?
Yes, sir.
You got it? You got it? You got it? No way! No way!
Oh my goodness.
Bro!
Boys and girls, this is a river monster.
Oh. Is it big?
What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. We are here on a random Texas river bank. It is hot, probably like 105 degrees right now. And I've came here to check off one of the fish that I've always wanted to catch my entire life. It's on my bucket list, a giant alligator gar. Growing up, you know, you watch river monsters, you see Dwayne, what is his name? Jeremy Wade, thought it was Dwayne. You see Jeremy Wade slaying up those big old river monsters.
We haven't even shot our intro yet. Brenton, stick 'em, boy. Oh my. Get him. I think it might be off.
We haven't even introduced our captain yet.
It's my boy, CeeLo.
CeeLo the Hooker, man. Y'all can find me on Instagram at CeeLo the Hooker, or find me on YouTube at Smoking Fish, or you can book your trip today. You gotta go on Instagram and go to our official business page on Official Smoking Fish and book your trip today. We're finna put that boy Paul on the monster. Fanatic already caught his monster, man.
We should be getting into some juice today. Some big old river monsters. This is the definition of a river monster. Unfortunately, we just lost one, but that is one of many, many hookups today. Drags will be ripping.
Oh gosh.
Fish will be flying.
Oh. I brought a couple of carp. One thing about the head, it's always guaranteed to catch a monster. Ask Fanatic. It's actually pretty small, man. We use heads bigger than this, man. We just got some smaller carp today, so yes, sir.
Dude, that thing is moving.
Whoa!
Whoa! Get him. Yeah, sir.
Get him, Brenton.
Come on. Work. Work.
There you go. Oh, yep. Dude, it's right here.
What do we got? What do we got?
It's right here, hugging the bottom, yeah. Whoa! That's a gar! Oh! That's just the beginning? That's just a tiny one. Let's go! There we go.
Yeah, about 4.
All right, 4 footer.
Woo! Brendan's got a 4-footer on the board. It's very slippery.
Oh my gosh. Oh god.
Yes, sir. Come on.
Okay. Oh, there's sticks down there. There's sticks down there. There's sticks down there. There's sticks down there. Oh my gosh. That is the biggest catfish I've ever caught.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
That's awesome, bro.
Holy moly.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Dude, that's awesome.
Don't.
Such a weird guy, man.
He's croaking. What are you saying? Thank you.
That thing is big.
Yeah.
And it's bigger than that in here?
Oh, bro. Way bigger, bro.
Really?
Giant, bro.
Just as I was about to take the tube out west.
He's just about to take it over to drop a bait. We keep seeing fish roll all the way out there. And he said he's gonna bring the tube and paddle a bait over there to drop it.
Thank you for bringing out my bait.
Yeah. The left-handed.
Brenton reels on this side, I reel on that side.
So he's taking my bait out that he didn't know until he was halfway out there. I'm messing with Brenton. He's on the tube and I'm ripping the drum by his head.
Gosh! No. Oh, there you go. There you go. What? There you go. Oh, no!
It was on.
Oh my gosh!
I just felt it rip after I did the first tug.
Dude!
Wow.
That was a big fish.
Bummer. All right, so the bait that Brenton brought over to the other side is definitely moving. The line's moving, but it's so far out that we don't know when it's really on or not, because the drag would be peeling typically if we threw it right here. It's so far, we don't know. Like, look, the line is, look at that. Look.
Oh, it's picking up. It's picking up.
Oh yeah. Oh my God.
Yep.
Oh,
the bail opened. The bail opened.
The bail opened.
You still have it? You got it? You got it? You got it? No way! No way!
Oh my goodness.
Bro!
There's no way.
No?
Unless it's swimming in on us. That must have came off. Oh, it's
No, no, it's on! It's on! It's on!
It's gotta be big, dude.
Oh my god!
That's gotta be big.
Oh gosh, here we go! You're great.
Dude. Brenton, you sent this one out on the freaking tube. It's just straight dead weight.
Oh yeah. To be honest with you, it's about to bolt.
That's a big fish,
Dude, that's a big fish.
Oh my gosh, it's coming.
Oh my god. Oh, pull up. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's a big one.
That is a huge fish.
Oh yeah, there he goes.
Oh, Jesus.
He banks himself.
He's like, it's your fault. You brought it.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Deadly steak. Yes, sir.
Good job, good job, good job.
Perfect, brother. Perfect.
There you go. There you go. Oh. Look at this. Oh my goodness.
Yes, sir.
All right.
She's gonna turn around and run.
Boys and girls, this is a river monster. Straight up.
That.
Yeah, she ready. You gotta hit them, bro, because they just go crazy.
The hook's through its mouth.
Wow.
Look, film that.
Wow.
Bro.
The hook came out. Bro.
It's not even on.
It's not even hooked. It's just holding the line. Whoa.
It's
in one
grabbing
side.
the line. It's not even hooked.
So it was
It's-
like jumping over.
It's just biting the line. Tried to eat the bait.
That's awesome. Bro, that is insane, bro.
That's
Congratulations, man.
Thank you. Look at the size of that fish. Holy moly. Look at that. Absolute monster fish. This is a true river monster, Cuffaros. I'm so glad I was able to share this experience with you watching. What a beast of a fish. This is probably about 6 feet long. We're gonna get the exact measurements here in a second and weight, but wow, insane. Brenton, you got the measuring tape. I mean, it wasn't even hooked.
Wasn't even hooked.
That's it. Dude, the armor plating is insane.
We're right over
Almost.
here to 8.
So it said 3 feet.
5 foot 10 inches.
5 foot 10.
5 foot 10 inches.
2 feet 2 inches away from being 6 foot.
Hell yeah, man.
That is a huge
That's crazy.
fish.
She's ready too.
Yeah.
What a beautiful fish.
That was an absolute blessing.
My goodness.
She was ready to go. I didn't even have to revive or nothing.
I am
Wow.
so
Oh, congratulations, man.
Thank you, dog. That was nuts, dude.
You guys want to do that yourself? The links are all down below. That was my first alligator gar, a real river monster. Could not have been any more stoked on the size, the fight, the incredible hook set, fall back, catch myself real tight, and we got it on. I mean, what a fight. And it's literally just a waiting game. The rods are back out now. We actually had a bite while I had my fish on land. That rod went off and it unfortunately dropped the hook. We got a couple more hours of fishing to do, so let's see if we can get some more bites.
You're just like a tiny little speck out there. There he is.
Return the favor and put your bait out.
Thank you.
You better go, boy. Thing's sitting there.
Just getting her,
I want to see the gnarliest hook set. Read one. Tighter. What do you think we have? Comment it down below. Turtle, catfish, gar, what do you think?
Kind of rolling.
it is rolling like a catfish.
It is rolling like a turtle. A soft shell turtle.
Turtle.
We have now caught a soft shell, a blue cat, and 2 gar. Hook is out.
Got the turtle.
Soft shell.
unhooked.
Oh! Jeez, Brenton. They could have took my foot off.
Where'd it go?
Boat is packed up. Holy gar just blowing up.
You won.
We made a video on Brenton's channel where we did a 1v1, whoever caught the biggest fish. 5 foot 10 inches. Took the W.
You did. This is
Absolutely fantastic, dude.
Crazy. I'm actually very proud of your fish.
After all the challenges I've lost, I finally won one.
Finally, you won one, and it had to be this one. Not only that, it was a river monster, so.
That might have been the most epic challenge ever.
It was a bucket list fish that you won off of, so. It's
Thanks to my boy.
Hey, man.
Absolutely put us on him today.
Follow me on Instagram at Official Smoking Fish or at CeeLo the Hooker. Book your trip today, man.
Let's go. What do you call your boat?
Smoke mobile.
The smoke mobile. So that's what you'll take over to the island and just slay them up. We're heading in right now. Epic trip. So glad I got to share that with you. Smash the like button, subscribe here if you want to see more. And guess what? We're out of here. See ya. Peace.
We're dropping her down. Here we go. 3, I just farted. 2, 1.